As a new Prezentar member, I feel it's my duty to let you in on a little secret that I've been keeping all to myself for the past 6 months. A secret that will unlock more traffic, more sales, and make your life so much easier when marketing your business online. You see, after creating your presentations with Prezentar, you'll need to get people looking at them, which means you need traffic and visitors to get sales and downloads. Without traffic, your presentations are useless, because what's the point of making presentations if no one is going to see them? But don't worry. We thought of this and created a solution that will help you get more visitors, traffic, and sales to your presentations. Introducing the new and revolutionary Prezentar Halo, the world's #1 4-in-1 traffic and sales technology. I'm talking about an incredible 4-in-1 app that's already built into your Prezentar software, allowing you to multiply your traffic and sales for every presentation you create. This is unlike anything you've seen before, and each of these 4 powerful apps are going to ensure you get every click, lead, and sale that your presentations and content deserves. Stay with me on this video for just a few minutes, because these 4 apps can only be unlocked from this page. Here are the 4 amazing apps that you get. App number 1 is our breakthrough Flipbook creator. Now you can turn your presentations into engaging, interactive Flipbook presentations with 1 click and triple your traffic and sales from the same content. With these stunning, realistic Flipbooks, you can give them away to rapidly build your list, instantly share them online for fast, viral traffic, or even sell them as standalone products and triple your income overnight. You can even share directly on your website to boost your SEO rankings and suck in free traffic, leads, and sales directly from Google. This powerful software will take your presentations and instantly turn them into these awesome Flipbooks that millions of people want to view and buy. See, there's a reason why millions of people still buy books on Amazon, because they love flipping the pages of a real book. Now you can tap into this unstoppable demand by instantly transforming your killer presentations that you create with Prezentar into a jaw-dropping, engaging flipbook that looks and feels just like a real book too. It's a fact. Flipbooks are proven to increase engagement with readers because they feel like real books, and as Amazon has proved, people still love reading real books. In minutes from now, you can create flipbook presentations that hook readers with interactive, engaging page-turning effects, clickable links, stunning backdrops, and more. Remember, engaging content gets more readers, and more readers means more sales. Just imagine the possibilities. Place your flipbook presentation on any website in seconds, and watch your traffic and sales explode. You can do all this without screwing up your current design or messing with complicated coding. You can also share your flipbook presentations with the world in seconds by tapping a button to syndicate it across social media for viral traffic and a steady stream of leads and buy whatever you're selling. With 100% mobile-friendly and responsive layouts for your presentation, you'll get more readers and more buyers. No more eye-straining fonts and layouts that end up losing you sales. Your flipbook presentations are fully customizable too. Edit the backgrounds, positioning, lighting, sound effects, sharing URL, and embed options with a few simple clicks. Next is app number 2, Magic 3D Rotating Carousels. Stop boring your visitors to death with the same old slides from the 1980s. Instead, use our new powerful magical 3D rotating carousels to turn your images, presentations, and other content into eyeball-grabbing carousels that engage them and keep them wanting more. These are so magical that you'll think these have come straight out of the Harry Potter movies. Spin the images or slides left or right, fast or slow with your wand. Click on any slide or image to follow a link or open the slide or image. Add links above each slide for increased engagement, clicks, and sales. With these killer magical 3D rotating carousels, you can hook and cast a spell on your visitors with unique interactive spinning carousels they can rotate to find the slide they want. Allow your visitors to peek ahead and find other slides in your presentation that matter to them most. Give your students or clients a 3D carousel as a reference point for important content, websites, or links as part of your program. Present your products, services, or useful tips in a unique, attention-grabbing way that makes you stand out from the competition. These magic 3D rotating carousels are today's hot trend in web design, and you can use them for all kinds of stuff, including e-commerce product pages, freelancer portfolios, affiliate offers, digital products, local business galleries, testimonial pages, guides, tutorials, and tips, and heaps more. And we're still not done. Upgrade to Prezentar Halo within the next 5 minutes, and you'll also unlock a 3rd secret weapon. Hypnotic slide transitions. Pour marketing gasoline on your presentations with hypnotic slide transitions that keep your audience glued from start to finish. Effortlessly move your viewers from slide to slide, like firefighters sliding down a greasy fire pole. Lock your viewers in a hypnotic trance and focus on your content so they get to know, like, trust, and buy from you. Crush your competitors into a fine dust with shocking transitions that rise above and steal attention like never before. And if all that wasn't enough, wait until you see app number 4, HD Mockup Skins. Once you've converted your presentation into a video, make it pop off the page and explode your view count more than a Justin Bieber music video with these beautiful and 100% unique HD mock-up background skins, including iPad skins, desktop skins, monitor skins, stunning landscape skins, dozens of niche skins. These mock-up background skins magnetically draw your visitors' eyeballs to your video, cranking up your view count and getting your message heard like a megaphone in a library. These background skins alone are valued at over $250, not to mention everything else you're getting today, including the Flipbook Creator app. Turn your presentation into a Flipbook presentation that you can embed anywhere in seconds for more traffic, valued at $495. The Magic 3D Carousels app. Showcase your content and wow visitors, valued at $79. The Hypnotic Transitions app. Keep your audience glued to your presentations and videos, valued at $69. Plus, a full commercial license that allows you to sell everything you make with Prezentar Halo to your clients for profit, bringing the total value of these 4 upgrade apps to a staggering $893. But you're not going to pay that real-world price today. This is a one-time only chance to upgrade to Prezentar Halo right now and unlock 4 powerful apps that will allow you to get more visitors and traffic to your presentations and turn them into hot sales. Turn boring videos into hypnotic, automated 24/7 sales machines. Explode your email list with epic Flipbook presentations viewable on all mobile devices. Ignite your income with 4 new ways to generate revenue with a commercial license that's included. Press the order button on this page before this offer expires. If you want more traffic, attention, leads, and sales from your presentations, then this is your golden opportunity to upgrade to Prezentar Halo right now and lock in thousands of dollars worth of traffic-getting, sales-pumping technology before it's too late. Click the button below now to instantly unlock all 4 of these apps inside your Prezentar account at this special discounted launch price.